In this video, I'm going to teach you how to drift in Assetto Corsa with a G923. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you an introduction to the techniques revolving around drifts in Assetto Corsa and how to do it using the G923. So this particular wheel, like the other Logitech wheels, has a gear-driven force feedback system. It can be a bit different to handle than a direct drive wheel. However, with the right setup, you can still have a great drifting experience. For this video, I'm not going to be able to cover everything because it is supposed to be a quick and easy video to follow. So after you do it, your initial setup with the Logitech G Hub settings and the in-game settings, you will be able to actually start applying the techniques. So unlike real-life drifting where the wheel will often snap back on its own, you might need to be more active with a Logitech wheel. You will need to feed the wheel, constantly making small corrections to maintain your angle. So this is going to be referred to as the steering technique. You have to use other techniques like clutch kicks and handbrake to break traction and initiate a drift. So the handbrake is also going to be a key tool for initiating it and adjusting your drift midway through. So to do a clutch quickly press and release the clutch pedal. This will break traction and allow you to initiate a drift. So once you see the rear of the car like this, you will be able to apply throttle control, which is the most important part of drifting. Use the throttle to control your speed and the car's angle. Practice feathering the throttle to maintain the slide without spinning out, and practice your counter steering. So once the rear of the car stops moving and you are in the middle of the drift, you should try to aim your wheel at the opposite direction of this curve. This will allow the car to drift without spinning out. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us from the channel make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.